So,
yo.
Solaine, you really lick out a young girl out there? You really push out a young girl?
Yeah, man, sitting good enough.
Welcome back, viewers and the subscribers. Wagwan, bless up first and foremost. Wull on there with the latest updates and mix up and mix downs at JA. So subscribe if I your first time over here. Alright, so good day peeps. Make we kick it off like this now. Popcaan put differences aside between him and Mavado. You see me? And make a post in regards about the loss and the situations where Mavado go through right now. So him tag Mavado in a snap, say keep up your meds firm up, same way singer, keep fighting the fight, condolence to you and your family, tough times for everybody, stay up, unruly wish bad and no one guys. I don't know if I just me and the rest of people them will acknowledge this, but they even can't tell me I tell you. You see from you know, I remember tell you this. You see in our life, things that me learn in life, you have to know what and what I right from wrong. You see me and you see that step the way you do Popcaan, trust my dog. Trust my dog is a trend that you set as a big individual. You see it to the next set of artists them down the line, same way. So all who take artist beef, which fans take artist beef personal, them not ready yet. Cause you see that, when you see that dog post man and make it clear. Yeah man viewers, so up next we are going to talk about Iwaata and him newborn child basically. So remember that picture here we did circulate the internet. Yeah, the youth grow, look older, the dog take a one picture with him, post him on him snap, you know the vibes and say my dan dada. But the people them share it over pink wall and have one bag of debation over the man child to backside. Jaja. People them say the baby no favor him. People say it look like a half suit. I mean, there's so much bad things to say when it's coming from Jamaicans at all time. You see me? I don't know why, you see me? Maybe some people are jacket. You see it? Enough look at things back at it. You see me? Some people probably don't know for them one, so them wish them something there, you see it? Yeah people, so if you still watch right here, so we are gonna share one video with Solaine. You see it? Yeah, take the people them man, like mackerel, young man.
Solaine, you really lick out a young girl out there? You really push out a young girl?
Yeah, man, sitting good enough. If I request me, man, he say you're good bad. I never buck up on nothing like this.
Jesus Christ, you see, I done a cause it, you know? Because if you never done a
yeah, if I never knock off his dad, I'm going to get the man, yeah.
Yeah, I mean, because sometimes you don't have done a Solaine over
man. Yeah, everyone that take a bush, no matter how they all work.
Yeah, me think
everyone that take a bush.
But me think say man old Solaine. Me never know say a young boy. Me think I want old man 960s.
Oh, never me do the old man. How many years old man want a squat? You want an old man?
A young son.
But Solaine, what do you mean water scratch?
I got me here for a long time. I don't want to hold a bump on my leg and them something there.
So you want a young boy?
Yes, you see, I can't see there now. A battery rider me there now.
Lie. Wait, we see battery rider.
2 years old. A battery rider. Yeah, man.
We see the battery rider.
A battery rider, man.
We see the battery rider.
Battery rider, we have to in that.
And skin clean, that's it.
And skin clean and pretty.
Yeah.
And face up there.
So when they know Solaine, where the man there?
Yeah?
Where the man there now?
Yeah.
Where the man there?
What you say?
Where the man there?
Tough?
Where the man? Yeah, when the...
Me not there when I'm here just a minute.
So Solaine, let me ask you a question.
But I hear just a minute, me come on. We can't make it to come down, so me just do it live right here, so I'm here just
Solaine, let me ask you a question.
As you can see me face, I'm here everybody.
Solaine,
I do me well.
Suppose if you go see him with a young girl, what you da do?
No man, everything crash.
Oh, you...
The plane just crash, everything leak down. He not gonna do that. He can't do that.
What you say, he not gonna make a mistake there?
No man, he was warned so many times. If him do this now, he just mash up everything.
But you never beat him, you never beat him?
No man, I don't beat him. I don't beat him. I don't take up my things them. I said, this is it, baby.
And you know, say Dana, but you know, say you have to go to Dana for counseling.
Yeah, but it don't help him because I should beg for him there.
I like when do I there? She beg for him?
In about 50 somebody I call on my phone and cousin, auntie, niece. I tell me say he said he can't sleep without me and he can't do it without me. He said make him tell me a party boy.
So Dana, so when Dana do call him, when Dana do call you and consider?
Yeah, because I tell him to stop the way man don't stop. Boy, you want to run up in me like my Bruce Lee, Jackie Chan.
Okay, boy, Dana.
Check him out now, check him out.
So Dana, okay, so Dana talk to him and Dana, from Dana talk to him, everything good.
Yes, and then I said, should I beg for him again?
Okay, well, at least Dana beg for him because I don't know that, but I'm glad I want a young boy coming on like Solaine. I think he was an old man. The whole time I think I want an old man.
No man, old man can't do the work.
Jesus, but
No, old man, more keep alive. Keep it jiggy. Keep alive.
But Solaine, the young boy will mash you up, you know.
No man can't mash me up. And every time I go. Like I know my medication up. Instead of 50 medication, I don't take my medication.
Yeah, I'll just say to you, mind the back as them.
No man, and not every time. We do all kind of style. We change it up, man.
Hold on, you do stove top?
Yeah?
You do the stove top and you do the stove top too?
You know, everything. I will try everything. I drop soap. We drop the soap. Everything.
So go
You have to keep it.
go bush.
Me don't want the young no style. Every style, every in it.
So go bush, go do it yet.
We are going country next week.
Allah, you and him?
Like, yes, it's like chocolate walk.
Chocolate walk.
And the banana walk.
Jesus God, Jesus.
Oh, I know my spot.
All right. Okay, so Solaine, so you're supposed to go to court. When you go to court?
The country, and next week we are going down.
No, when you go to court?
We're going to send Mary when the born and grow. We're going to send Mary when the born. No, my born at town, but we grow and send Mary.
Oh, okay.
I go back up at my school, go look at them master.
Yeah.
Like Brendan Arley in a Sweeper district, St. Mary.
Yeah.
We're going back there.
You're right.
And then we're going to Kingston or Penwood Secondary.
Yeah.
That's in Olympic.
Right.
The Farm Road.
Right. Boy,
That's the two schools I went to.
Me not like you look different. You look so different. You look different. Your life have changed. The looks, everything.
When you fix up and put yourself together, I'm not going to put myself together. You know, you see just to be ugly. You don't put myself together.
Man, don't say you're ugly. You're not ugly. You're not ugly.
The man says she ugly. And she look good. She hot. You know, I don't mean step with the front hat. My hat needs like when me down the front line and me go back round.
You're not ugly, man.
So we have to get at this.
Yeah, but
thank you, doctor. You're my doctor.
Yeah, me not lie, you fix up and the boy that don't break your heart, I hope you hold on you everything and all that. And guess what happened?
Remember the doctor me go see now. So me have to fix up.
Right. So what the plan? So Solaine, what the plan with the court now? When I go court?
Next month court. Me not talk the date.
You know say that. No, don't talk the date. Don't talk the date. Don't talk. But you know say that court it have broke up people. You know say that courthouse the back. Yeah,
I wish we all the best.
And then Solaine, what you have to tell the people? What would you advise the people out there that are going it a break up. It a. Eh? People it a break up. Hello? It a break up.
Big up, love you. I always will love you. I'm a grandson. Big up, grandson for my birthday, my grandson, my present, my birthday present to Sister March. I'm my next
Right.
my granddaughter, 7th March. So I get a little birthday present, guys.
Right.
Big up yourself.
Yeah, man, but it a break up. So still on the big up yourself and then with all the best and I just say just stay positive. Stay positive to Dana and the whole plan for them. Stay positive to your son and all of that and just make sure you be safe out there. Listen.
Yes,
Don't
I can do Joseph. Joseph is my manager and my best friend.
Right, and don't make nobody dry you out. Don't make nobody open up no page and collect the money on your behalf. Everything you do it with you and your son.
Yes, sir.
You understand?
Thanks.
And then guess what? We want to see you get a visa and they're foreign soon.
Soon, that's in the making.
Yeah.
Hey,
yeah.
work, man.
Yeah, man, and then just, as I said, just keep everything personal and all of that. And then we just keep in touch and so forth. And just, you know what I mean? Just nobody give them more trouble.
I pick up my mother. My mother will have me Valda Wilson from Shriver District in St. Mary. Pick up yourself and my brothers and sisters. Big up yourself.
Right. And big up yourself and stay positive to Dana, stay positive to Dana and be real to Dana at always and everybody that helped you here.
Yes, thanks.
All right. I will
love you.
Yeah, man. Love and respect here.
Yeah.
All right.
Yes, sir.
All right, bless.
Yeah.
People, that was Solaine. That was Solaine. Boy, I tell you. No, Solaine, no. On a serious note, people, listen. No, me to ask her some question. I was asking her some question, right? I was asking some question, but not in any bad way and so forth. But me now like she look good. Whoever do I hear, she look good and so forth. And you see, Solaine says she have a young boy. Look into it, eh? Solaine get house. Solaine find a young boy and have a young boy. Take away a young boy from a young girl. And enough of people with the here, so right? Enough of people with the here, so have a problem. So woman cannot find a man. Well, let me see who. Somebody has sent me a let me see all the people I want to add. I'm going to add to my people. Let me add to my people. Somebody named Sam Missy. Unstoppable. Let me add. But man say I can't bother.